Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are putting two popular email marketing platforms head to head. Brevo versus Mailchimp. Both offer powerful tools to grow your audience and engage your customers. But the question remains, which one truly delivers the best of value for your business? We will compare their features, pricing, and ease of use to help you decide. Let's begin. Let's begin with Brevo, which is formerly known as Sendinblue. It is a comprehensive digital marketing platform that helps businesses communicate with audience through email marketing, SMS campaigns, and other tools. Now, it is particularly popular among small to medium-sized business like SMBs for its affordability, user-friendliness, and robust features. If you're curious about the pricing, just click this button right here and you would notice that it is free to sign up your account here in Brevo. But if you want to scale up, you might want to go for the starter plan, which comes at $8 per month, and you would have everything in free plus all of these. Now, the business plan comes at $16. You would have all of the plus plan plus the starter features. And the last one is going to be the enterprise plan, which requires getting a demo, scheduling a call with one of their sales professionals. Let's click the sign up free button here on the upper right corner, and you would have an option to create your account using a Google, an Apple, or maybe you can use your personal or even your business email. Once you've done that, you would be forwarded to this section and just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, you will be welcome to the main dashboard for Brevo, and the first thing that you would notice is that it has the email marketing setup, which has the drag and drop email builder for designing professional campaigns. You see this left side panel of your dashboard. Click the campaigns right here. So you can choose from any of the following: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and web push. For example, if you're planning to go for the SMS, or maybe let's cancel that. Let's try to use the email instead. You can create an email campaign as regular or AB and test. All right. Click the campaign name. Create that. It would be forwarded here. To optimize the email performance, you can manage the sender, recipients. Click that. All right. Name. Click on save. The recipients are this. You can select the list right here if you don't want to send unengaged contacts. Click the advanced option if you wanted, and you can find and filter a recipient and add a condition if you want. Just leave it for now. The subject, of course, that's going to be this. You can preview text right here. You see that? Click on save. It's a lot easier to create a campaign here because the workflow can automate repetitive tasks like welcome emails or abandoned cart reminders. In terms of the design, if you want to start designing, you might want to choose one of the best template right here. You see this. Maybe you click the preview button. Call to action. I believe this is going to be that. I like this. So use that template now. And you have an option to monitor your campaign to the platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Salesforce, and others. All right. Click on next. And now you should be able to have all of these to your campaign. All right. Click on the video, button, logo, and a lot more. All right. Now, when we go to our next contender, which is Mailchimp, it is a popular marketing automation platform and email marketing service that helps businesses manage and communicate with their audience through various channels. Now, if you're curious about the pricing right here, just click on it and you would notice that you have the standard comes at $10 for 12 months. All right. The premium is around $175, and you have all these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. But before that, you might want to test the waters and gauge if Mailchimp is going to be the right automation marketing platform for you by clicking the sign up button. From here, all you have to do is provide your business email, username, and password, and click the sign up button. Now, once you are successfully logged into your account here in Mailchimp, you see one of the key features of this platform is the email marketing. You see, if you want to create an email marketing automations, website, landing page, and creative assistant, you can also do that. You can choose from any of the following: regular email, automation, and landing page. Now, I'm going to use the regular email for now. Click the design email. You can choose from any of the following template if you want. You can create your own from scratch, but I don't suggest this if you don't have any experience working with Mailchimp. Instead, you might want to go for the fully designed template. It would be forwarded here, which is highly customizable. All right, you have a lot of options on the left hand panel. See, if you wanted to choose the free templates only, click this button, because that would give you some of the options for that. And if you wanted to click this, for example, and wanted to use this, upgrade to use, all right, it requires you to upgrade to the plan. Now, we're going to choose the basic layout instead and click the free templates and click the apply button. All right. From here, we can edit the information such as add your content, add a button. All these are drag and drop. It's a very easy thing to do. All right. From here, you can put in a a link, for example, of the website, and that's going to be, for example, gplafs.com. All right. Click on done. You can add more elements right here. Video. All right. Put in the YouTube video right here. Click on done. And there's a lot that you can work with. Basically, you choose Mailchimp if you wanted an intuitive design builder, making it accessible for beginners and non-technical users, because it's already a all-in-one platform. You see, if you click on the preview button, it combines email marketing, automation, and non-technical users, which is very suitable for startups, SMBs, and larger enterprises. All right, and you can also click on the send a test email if you want. Send a test to your email just to make sure that you have created a efficient email marketing content that you can use and automate your workflow. Now, you might want to choose Brevo if you are a business that is looking for affordable pricing, advanced automation, and multi-channel capabilities, because both are popular email marketing platforms, each with unique features and strengths. And again, ultimately, choosing between the two depends on your needs, goals, and budgets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.